What happens, attorney, if kinasal kami na walang valid marriage license? So the answer is, of course, your marriage is void since it is one of the formal requisites of a valid marriage. A valid marriage license is required. Attorney, what if meron ngang marriage license but that marriage license is fake or spurious? The answer is the marriage is void. Sabi natin kanina, dapat ang marriage license ay valid. The fact that that marriage license is fake means that that marriage license is not valid. Now, attorney, paano kung nag-issue nga ng marriage license pero meron naman tayong tinatawag na irregularity? Now, ano itong irregularity under the law? Sabi dyan, when a marriage license is issued not in the residence of either one of the contracting parties. No, ibig sabihin, the soon-to-be husband or the soon-to-be wife has a marriage license but hindi yun issued under their residence or under their city or municipality. It means that the local civil registrar that issued that marriage license is not from their residence, then that is an irregular marriage license. Another example of an irregular marriage license is when there is no publication. Tandaan po, pag tayo po ay mag-a-apply for a marriage license, kailangan po muna yung 10 days na publication. Meaning, ipapublish po ang mukha ng soon-to-be husband and soon-to-be wife and all the details to give notice sa public, no, na itong soon-to-be husband is ikakasal sa soon-to-be wife. Another example of an irregular marriage license is when the 10-day publication period is not complied. Meaning, 5 days pa lang, na-issue na yung marriage license. No? So, attorney, what happens if ganun yung situation? Ang sabi sa batas, kailangan valid yung marriage license. No? Valid naman yung marriage license. The only problem is that mayroong irregularity. No? Hindi na-comply yung publication, hindi natapos yung 10 days, or na-issue yung marriage license hindi dun sa place of residence ng soon-to-be husband or ng soon-to-be wife. No? So, ano ang effect nito? Under the case of Alcantara versus Alcantara, such irregularity daw is immaterial. So, the marriage is still valid even though there is an irregularity in the marriage license. So, yun lamang po.